how you hunts at Camp Kooksville. Your favorite cousin is here at the Velveteen Lounge this week, filling in for the Velveteens because they're on vacation. Full disclosure, my idea of camping is a room at the Holiday Inn, but I can appreciate camping food, so I'm going to show you how to make the best camping treat of all time. It's called Caviar Dip, and it's from 1970s, the Tailgate Cookbook. To make it, all you do is combine 1 cup of sour cream, 2 minced cloves of garlic, and 4 tablespoons of black caviar. Serve it with chips and a glass of Sauvignon Blanc or Pinot Grigio. Yeah, I know I normally drink Merlot, but this is caviar. You gotta respect the caviar. So anyway, that's it. You have fun at summer camp and stay out of trouble, and I'll see you again real soon.